Now we will study about what is multiplication. Multiplication as repeated addition. Instead of adding same amount repeatedly to find the sum, we can multiply to find the same result in a much quicker way. Consider 4 groups of chocolates with 3 chocolates in each group. Now there is an example given to us. Here three groups are made of chocolates in 4 groups. How many chocolates are there altogether? You can add and find out. Now three chocolates are there and 4 groups are there, so we have written 3 as 4 times. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So there are 12 chocolates in all. In short, we can write this as 4 into 3 equals to 12, where 4 and 3 are our factors, and 4 is number of groups and 3 is number in each group of chocolates, and product 12 is our product, which is our answer, which is the total number of chocolates. Using multiplication, 4 into 3 equals to 12 is read as 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, or 4 times 3 is 12, or 4 3 are 12. So in all the three form we can write in multiplication form. Now terms related to multiplication. The number that is repeated is called the multiplicand. Now the number that is repeated, here 3 is repeating 4 times, so the number 3 is repeating, so number 3 is the multiplicand in this example. A number which expresses how often the multiplicand is repeated is called the multiplier, that means 4. The number which are being multiplied are called factors. The result obtained after multiplying two numbers is known as the product. In 4 into 3 equals to 12, 4 is the multiplier, 3 is the multiplicand, and 12 is the product. Now let us start our self-practice exercise 5a. Now in this first question is given to us, complete the table. In this, the first one is already done here. 2 groups of 3 each. Now here 2 groups are given to us of 3 each, so we have written it as 2 groups of 3 each. In addition form we will write it as 2 times 3 we will write, because 2 groups are there, so 2 times 3 we have written 3 plus 3 equals to 6. In multiplication form we will write it as 2 times 3 is there, so 2 into 3 equals to 6, 2 3s are 6. Or in read form we will write it as 2 3s are 6, or 2 times 3 is 6, or 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now in B question, there are 3 groups are given to us, so we have written 3 groups of 4 each. Now 4 is given in each group, so 3 times we have written 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12, and in multiplication form we have written it as 3 into 4 equals to 12, and in read form we will write it as 3 fours are 12, or 3 times 4 is 12, or 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now in C question, there are 1 2 3 4 groups are there, so 4 groups of 3 each we will write, and then 4 times we have add 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. Then 4 into 3 equals to 12, 4 3s are 12, and in read form we will write it as 4 3 are 12, 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. And in D1, there are 3 groups are given to us of 5 each, so we have written 3 groups of 5 each, and 5 we have written 3 times 5 into 5 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 15. 3 into 5 equals to 15 in the multiplication form we will write, and in the read form we will write it as 3 5s are 15, or 3 times 5 is 15, or 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now let us move to our next question, question number 2. In this also we have to complete the table. Now 3 columns are given to us, repeated addition in words and multiplication form. First is already done here. In repeated addition, they have written 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 20. In words we have written it as 4 groups of 5, because 4 times 5 is given, so 4 groups of 5 are 20. And in multiplication form we will write it as 4 into 5 equals to 20. Now in second B1, in word form they have given us, we have to write them in the repeated addition form and multiplication form. So 7 groups of 2 are 14. It is given to us 7 groups of 2, so 7 times we will write 2 equals to 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 14. 7 times 2 we have written it as equals to 14, and in multiplication form we will write it as 7 to the 14. Now in C1, multiplication form is given to us. We have to write them in the repeated addition form or word form. So 6 into 4 is written here. So 6 groups of 4 are 24. Like this we will write in the words, and in the repeated addition form 6 times we will write 4. 6 times we will add 4 equals to 24. Now in D1, addition form is given to us. We have to write them in the word form or multiplication form. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 6 we have added in this. So we have written in words 5 groups of 6 are 30, and in multiplication form we have written it as 5 6 are 30. Now in third question, write the addition form. Now we have to write the addition form. Now 3 columns are given here: multiplication form, think, and addition form. So in this also first one is already done here. 3 into 4 equals to, we have written it as 3 fours, and in addition form we have written 3 times we have add 4. Now B1, 5 into 8, so we have written 5 8, and we have add 5 times 8 here. Then 4 into 6, so we have written it as 4 6, and we have add 4 6 times 4. Then 7 into 9, so we have written it as 7 9s, and 7 we have written 9 times. 7 we have add 9 times. So like this we are completing our this type of questions. Now just do practice of this. Now our this exercise is finished. Hope you understand.